Hey, thank you for using Disputifier. This is a quick tutorial on how to integrate PayPal with your Disputifier account. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is log into your PayPal account and then navigate to the top right corner and click Developer. There's two different screens that may come up here based on whether or not you've activated your developer accounts on PayPal. So I'm going to first go to the non-activated screen. It looks like this. Basically, all you're going to need to do to get the right page open is scroll to the bottom and click Get Started. From there, you're going to want to click Log into the developer dashboard, and then it's going to bring you to the same page that would take you to if you had the developer account activated. So from there, you're going to want to go ahead and click Apps and Credentials, and then change this to Live. Next, you're going to want to click Create App. And you can just name this Disputifier or really whatever you want to it. It doesn't matter too much. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and copy the client ID, paste it into Disputifier, and then do the same thing with the secret key. After that, you can go ahead and click Save. Then navigate back to PayPal and customize the preferences for our app. The only things that we need access to are transaction search and customer disputes, so you can remove the additional credentials. Then go ahead and click Save Changes. After that, you're done with the API integration section, and the next thing that you're going to need to do is navigate back to the business dashboard. After that, go ahead and hover in the right-hand corner and click Account Settings. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and click Update next to where it says Manage Users. From here, you'll go ahead and click Add User. Based on your account type as well as your location, it may ask you for different information. But the main thing that we need to do is just put in the email and the user ID. Everything else is pretty much optional. So if it asks you for an address or a first name and last name, you can pretty much put whatever here. You can put your address, your name. In this case, we're just going to do Disputifier for the first and last name. And then for the email, make sure that you input hello@disputifier.com. From there, for the user ID, you can just put Disputifier and then 4 random digits. As long as these digits are not used by any of our other customers, then you can put whatever you want here. So just don't do 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4 of the same numbers, and you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Next, you'll want to add phone number information. So for the phone type, you can select anything you want here. For the code, it's just going to be +1 for United States, and then the phone number is going to be 512-270-1514. That's also going to be in the description of this YouTube video if you want to just copy it. After that, you can go ahead and click Next. And then you can just customize the permissions that we need. So we need access APIs and developer support, process refunds and resolve disputes, and access message center. After that, you're pretty much done with the entire integration. Please go ahead and send us an email or a live chat message letting us know that you've connected PayPal and sending us the user ID that you've set up for us, meaning Disputifier and the 4 digits afterwards. Let us know if you have any questions or issues when setting up PayPal. Thanks again for using Disputifier and have a great rest of your day.